Okay, folks, let's talk about bed meshes and why I think they are superior to auto leveling, or not auto leveling, to manual leveling. And I'm the type too that doesn't, necessarily think something that chintzy could be this accurate. Well, it is. I mean, all it has to do is move a plunger so that a light beam, we all use the same type of light. A light beam can shoot across and tell its position on there, like an encoder or something would. So it works, and it works very good. I have a glass bed as well, and I can put it on there to specifically show how not flat they are from the factory. Mine went like this, not at the end. It was a hump here, and then it flattened out. Now the bed mesh exaggerates how crazy it is because it's talking in it's talking in fractions of a millimeter, but I'll be saying everything in the imperial inches because that's just what I'm used to. So I shoot for a deviance or variance less than 0.02. When you do the bed mesh, it takes and probes the bed in, I think it's either 12 or 16 spots. And then when you print, you can actually watch the Z height adjust as it follows the contour of your bed. You can't achieve that manually leveling it. I mean, that's it. That's it for me. That's a wrap. And I jumped on after that. I save a bed mesh for every print. And actually, I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna put a command in my slicer so that it's just like my time lapse. It will automatically run a bed mesh cycle, which you'll see doesn't take that long. It'll run a bed mesh cycle before every print so that it has the most accurate, with your temperatures and heat and everything, the most accurate position of this bed. So let's get into it here. I'm using a Sonic pad. Your printer may be a little different. I'm sure you know how to get into the leveling if you've ever printed. Auto level, it's going to ask me about my Z height, which is done. I don't want to manually level it first, so I will hit auto level and then start calibration. And we will see what it does. Those linear rails are a must, an absolute must for this printer though. The wheels and that heavy bed just aren't made for the long haul. And I guess I shouldn't say, they do get, thousands of hours out of them. But I'm 300 hours into this printer and I've only had it 4 weeks. And I'm starting to want to print faster and, past 150 millimeters a second or even 100. The vibrations that those wheels put off is serious. Let's see what we got here. When we get done here, I'll take you over to my computer and show you how I view my bed mesh. Okay, that corner is a little low. Not too far off though. I really think we're pretty close. Shooting for 0.02. And I got 0.19, which I'm skirting the line on my limit. But look here. That's the whole variance. And it makes it look like it's a gravel road. Which is nice so that you can, root out the low spots in your bed. And I mean, with it looking like this, you can damn near shim that thing. But then again, it's only actually that much. Over here, you can change it to where it shows you where it actually probed. So with a manual level, you adjust these 3 or 4 spots. That's all you got. It doesn't know these lumps in here, so it will not adjust the Z height over and around them to maintain the nozzle distance to the bed. So that looks good. Looks good. And that's also where I send my prints over. I don't use the USB stick. So if you're not doing that and you're still using the USB stick, look in my channel, my videos, and find the USB video where I tell how to get rid of that thing. So I hope this helped. Maybe you guys already know that. This is more for the people who don't and who, get a little bit of anxiety when it comes to putting a feeler gauge on everything. And I'll tell you, you know, imagine doing a bed mesh manually. It would just take forever and would make people hate printing even more. Well, the frustrated ones, the people that do hate it. So, I have a plugged extruder at the moment. I just wanted to crank this video out. I gotta put this in next. So if you have extruder problems, I will have a video for that too. You guys have a good one.